My main responsibilities is showing recruit the main point of the base and what we use them for, making sure they followed order and commands. Uh, just say why to do think they should rank you up for this role and the best word of your choice. I'm expect I'm expected to handle every task and responsibilities that come with being a basic guider, making sure all the soft hats are doing eh, the right thing at their. Wait, uh, to guide new recruit around the army base, helping them become familiar with the area and understand how to things work outside the base. Yes, sir. Not sir, because civilians or gang member are not allowed to be inside or take control of the base. Um, Go for a higher up to resolve the situation only, because if they not listening now, chance are they not gonna listen down to line. If they won't leave the base, and if they come on the base shooting and raid time. Yes, but as a soldier, I'm prepared to fulfill my duties. I want to show my skill and help others soldier or recruit who need assistance inside the army. There are four material death events in the army. We are not allowed to eat during a material death event. Yes, sir, I do. I want to contribute to improving base operation and help mountain discipline, and efficient environment inside the base.